Hi, I'm Greg. This is my 2014 0S. I'm putting it up for sale. I'm going to be getting a new 2019 Zero. Let me tell you a little bit about the bike. The bike actually has the 13.0 kilowatt hour monolith. It's been upgraded at the Zero factory for warranty replacement. So that's the 2017 battery. Also has a PowerTank. So under here, there's no storage or charge tank. It's there's another battery under there for additional range. So it's a total of over 16 kilowatt hours on the bike. See, the plastics were also upgraded. Those are also 2017 painted plastics, no longer the molded in color that was on the older Zeros. Otherwise, we have BarkBusters, the Storm hand grips here. This is the Zero Commuter windscreen. It's their mid-size one. We have all LED bulbs there, and also the main beam is LED as well. Have some aux fog lights here as well. They're really bright. Bike is in good condition. It's about 37,000 miles have just rolled on it. Go ahead and turn this on for you. There you go, 37067 is the mileage. Go ahead and there we go, there's our green light. And we're ready to ride. Just like riding any other motorcycle, just no clutch, no gear. It does have the rain guard as well here in the back. Otherwise, these are Dunlop tires. They're probably a little bit past halfway through their life, front and rear. Just past Pennsylvania inspection. There's a current sticker on there. Brakes are in good shape. Belt was replaced around 30,000 miles. So that should be good for a little while as well. That's about it at the moment. So the bike runs good. It does have heated grips on here as well at the BarkBuster. You do have a heated gear coax plug as well. Just RAM mount for your phone. So that's the summary. I'll give you one more walk around. And that's it. Thank you.